struggle, making babies from the life. They live a river corner, made a house into a home. They're treading water with prayer they stay strong, and they'll say, "Oh, I'm headed straight for Texas." When you realize it go, you sigh. Just for me, not caring.